Natural ways to get bigger breasts. Big or small, breasts come in all shapes and sizes, and all breasts are beautiful. While some feel comfortable in their own natural body, others wish to work on themselves, which is simply a choice. That said, some women prefer to have bigger breasts either because it gives them more confidence or makes them feel more appealing. Irrespective of what the reason may be, it is not impossible to grow bigger breasts. Bigger breasts are desired by women of all ages and are a mark of enhanced beauty, self-esteem and femininity. Did you know? An average woman's breast size changes 6 times throughout her life. While medical innovations have made way for surgical enhancements, it does come with a hefty price tag and other challenges. Now comes the main question. What is the other way to go about it? Is there a way for you to increase your breast size, naturally? The answer is, yes, you can. They say you inherit your breast size from someone in your family. So in reality there is little you can do to correct their size. While a lot of it depends on your genetic makeup, lifestyle and body weight, exercising right, adhering to a strict lifestyle, eating right, massaging and enlargement techniques are some of the ways which a woman can adopt to have fuller, perkier breasts as well as increase their size. There are many natural ways which can be given a try. Not only are these free of side effects, but they are also cost-effective. Here is a detailer on the same which can help you. 1. Exercising. Exercising regularly and in the right way may help you in getting bigger breasts. Weight training. Intense exercises have been thought to contract and relax the pectoral as well as the chest muscles in the body, giving you a more defined and sculpted look. Certain exercises can also help tone and firm up the breast tissues, contributing to a better desired shape and benefiting your overall posture. The best part about this is that these exercises can be easily done at home and require little to no equipment use. Maintaining proper technique, following discipline and doing it regularly can bring you closer to getting the desired results. Here are some easy exercises for you to practice. Push-ups, not only good for triceps, push-ups also help in strengthening the pectoral muscles that are located below the breasts. Initially, you may find this exercise a bit tiring, so start with 2 to 3 sets of 10 push-ups in a day and increase the number as your body gets used to the exercise. This is how you should do push-ups. Get into the high plank position and firmly place your hands on the ground, directly under the shoulders. Keeping your back straight, bring your body towards the ground. Make sure your stomach should not touch the floor. Push back up. If you find this exercise too challenging, then you may keep your knees on the floor. B. Crunches. Crunches trim the belly fat and strengthen ab muscles. Once the abs get in shape and toned, it strengthens breast muscles and you get fuller breasts. How to do crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands under your head. Lift your shoulders and upper back up away from the floor. Your eyes should be focused towards the ceiling. Exhale as you come up, hold for a second and inhale when you return to the original position. C. Wall-ups. Walls-ups are especially for women who find push-ups hard and tiring. Just like push-ups, you have to push yourself against a wall. Wall-ups to strengthen pectoral muscles, tone breast shape and increase size. D. Right way to do wall-ups. Stand in front of a wall and lift your arms to the shoulder level. Firmly place your palms on the wall and push off the wall until your arms are in an outstretched position with elbows bent. Come back to the original positions. Initially, try 4 sets 10 times each. E. Chest press with dumbbells. This exercise firms up breast tissues and strengthens pectoral muscles. It is important to note that you should do this exercise with easy-to-lift dumbbells. How to do chest press with dumbbells. Lie on a bench with dumbbell in each hand. Your feet should be firmly placed on the floor. Push the dumbbells up in a way that your arms are directly over the shoulders and palms up. Bring the dumbbells back to the shoulder level and repeat. F. Chest contractions, focusing the isometric contractions of the chest. This exercise is one of the best types of breast building workouts. The right way to do chest contractions. Hold a towel in front of you. Your arms should be stretched up in front of your chest. Each hand should clutch one end of the towel. Now pull both ends of the towel simultaneously, away from each other. While doing the exercise, contract your chest muscles. 2. Diet for bigger breasts. Diet plays a significant role in shaping up the body. Where breast size is concerned, it requires proper nutrition. Milk. Intake of milk contributes to the growth of breast tissues. Cow's milk is enriched with estrogen, progesterone and prolactin, which are required to produce milk in women, thus enhancing breast size. B. Green leafy vegetables. For bigger boobs, include green leafy vegetables in your daily diet. These vegetables are also a good source of iron and calcium. Mostly, green leafy vegetables do not contain phytoestrogens that help in increasing breast tissues, but they tone developed breasts. Another reason to eat green leafy vegetables is they prevent the male testosterone production in women. This balances the hormones in a woman's body and allows natural estrogen level to control the body functioning. C. Nuts. High in monosaturated fats, nuts are essential for building breast tissues and enhancing breast growth. D. Soy. Soy contains phytoestrogens, the hormone responsible for breast growth. Soy also contains isoflavones, which fights against free radicals and cancer cells that might grow in breast tissues. Include foods like flax seeds, fenugreek and fennel seeds in your diet. Some other types of foods that help in toning and increasing breast tissues are legumes and soya bean. Do supplements help? Some other ways. For proper growth of your boobs, it is essential to choose the right bra. Bra size plays an important role in controlling sagging and making your breast firm and toned. Another way to get bigger breasts is massaging. Massage your breasts at least once a day. This increases blood circulation, which leads to a smooth flow of hormones and increases breast size. Image courtesy, Shutterstock, Thinkstock. What is the safest way to get bigger breasts? Doing exercises that strengthen the chest, back, and shoulder area is the best natural way to enhance the look of your breasts. A good posture also helps in making them look perkier. What is the best sleeping position to increase breast size? Sleeping on your stomach is bad for your breasts because they are pressed against the bed for hours. The best sleeping positions for your breasts include sleeping on your back or on your side with a pillow under the breasts. Can smoking affect the breast size? Smoking is one of the top causes of saggy breasts. Women who smoke also experience a higher incidence of breast pain. If you want healthy and perky breasts, it is suggested to put that cigarette down.